Hey designer enthusiast, welcome back to PPP Designer. Today we are diving into some fantastic online tools to help you choose the perfect color palette for your upcoming design project or for your upcoming design task. Whether you are looking for inspiration or precise color adjust, this website got you covered every single detail. Let's get dive into it and let's start the video. First up, we have ColorsC. This website is a designer's dream for generating color palette quickly and very easily. You can start with a random color palette or lock in colors you like and hit the spacebar to generate new combinations also. It's a perfect for experimenting and finding harmonious color throughout the globe. You can also adjust each color inside it. Export the palette in various format as for your convenience, and even explore trending palettes created by other designers too. You can drag into the tools section in the top navigation bar and see all those different tools embedded inside it. So palette generation, explore palette, image picker, every single tools are inside it. It's a must have tool for any creative enthusiast out there. So hope you love this particular website. Next, it's like to talk about ColorHut. This platform is all about simplicity and inspiration. You can see all those beautiful color palettes and sets. It's arranged in the new section. You can jump into popular according to month, year and all time. Let's go to all time and see what are the all time favorite colors available in this particular website. You can randomize and see all those random colors appears over here. Also, you can see the years having mentioned 1 year, 2 year, which is very highlighted over that period of time. Also, you can select different sections like pastel, vintage, retro, neo. In vintage, you can see those vintage color palette, which is very beautifully arranged and helpful for our graphic or product designer. You can also jump to the warm section if you are creating any particular application that can help. And the big thing is add to Chrome is the best option. You can add this ColorHut to your Chrome tab and get these facilities in just one click away in your Chrome. So you can, if you like any particular color, this will appear in the collection section, whatever you have liked and shown. Now we are into HumanTCO. This AI powered tool generate color palettes and schemes for your brand or website. Let's click on the launch and see what the website comes up with. You can specify your preferences and Human will create unique palettes that suits your needs. It's especially useful for those who want a more tailored color scheme with just a few clicks. Experiment with different settings and see how it changes your color combinations. Next, we have 02255.com, a special but effective tool for finding variations of any colors. If you need a lighter or darker shade of a specific color, this website make it very easy for you. Just enter your basic color and it will generate a range of tints and shades. It's perfect for creating gradients or finding the perfect complementary colors for your upcoming projects. Finally, let's explore Mycolor.space. This tool allows you to generate color palettes based on single color input. You can choose from different harmonies like complementary, triadic or harmonious to create balanced palette. It also provides CSS codes for each and every project you are going to happen in your further future. It's a fantastic resource for creating cohesive and visually appealing color scheme. That's all. And that's a wrap on our overview of this amazing color palette tools. I hope you found this video helpful and are excited to try this website for your next design project. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to Triple P Designer for more design tips and tutorials, and drop your comment below with your favorite color tools. Keep creating and stay inspired.